June, our Sarpanch of Naveli village, Mr. Paul Pereira, was asked a question by reporters regarding why the Gram Sabha was delayed. So to which he replied, the Gram Sabha was delayed because of painting reasons. He said he wanted to get the Panchayat hall painted so that it could be ready for the Gram Sabha. But today we came to the Panchayat and we asked him to show the painting order, wherein we got to know that this order was placed on the it's to be placed on the 22nd of May. So if it was to be placed on 22nd of May, the BDO had directed Paul Pereira, our Sarpanch, to have the Gram Sabha, that is on the 17th of May. So I do not know why was this Gram Sabha delayed and why is he lying to the people. Why is he delaying the Gram Sabha? What is the main reason of delaying the Gram Sabha? Is it to hide all the illegalities that are taking place in the Naveli Panchayat?
ना एप्रिलाची ग्राम सभा उलून गेली ती करपा जाय आसली मातशें आमकां पेंटिंग चालू केलां सो थंय आहा हो ऑर्डर ती आहा आमची पेंटिंगाची थंय पेंटिंग ऑफ द पंचायत बिल्डिंग विल बी नावेली टेंडर हो ऑर्डर दिला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान मातशें काम कॉमेंट्स केलें तेजें सो हॉल पयलीं करून सांग ताका बिकॉज म्हाका ग्रामसभाय करपा जाय आमकां हॉल रेंटाकूय दिवपा जाय ओके जातली
मायान जावपा आसली तर फुडें जातली
एप्रिलाची आनी जी हांव करतलें